Okay, I was going to finish for the day, but what I want to show you is how scalping can be turned into an actual system. And by system, I mean no-lose system. Now let's see if I can make some money first, and I'll show you exactly what I'm trying to explain. Okay, so I place a trade on the back bet. I'm waiting for the lay trade to get taken. There's 6 minutes before I start this race. Okay, the lay trade's been taken and I've cashed it out. So I've actually cashed out, so I'm guaranteed £1.56 at least. As you can see on the one click, it's a guaranteed profit. Now if I go to the ladder, you'll see now it's a guaranteed profit. So if the horse wins the race, I make £1.57. If it loses, I make £1.56. As you can see at the different ends of the ladder. So if it loses, I make 156. If the horse wins, I make 157. So no matter who wins or loses, I make at least £1.56. Now this is where it gets interesting and where a system can be created. If I don't cash out, let's just make some money again. Still 5 minutes left. I'll move this up because I want to create a situation where I've not cashed out, just to show you what I mean. Massive spike in liquidity there, so that price will come down, as we know. There's still 4 minutes left before the start of the race. The price is dropping, you can see by the candle chart. We're now in a profit situation. Come on price, I'm trying to explain something here, so drop a little bit further. Okay, so at this stage, if we cash out, we guaranteed 78 pence. If we let the race run, if the favourite loses, we'll make £1.56. If the favourite wins the race, we'll lose 41 pence. That's if we don't cash out. Okay, so I've cashed it out. So as you can see, we guaranteed a profit of 78 pence at least. Now let's just try this again. The price is rising, you can see on the candle chart, so let's place a trade. That price is going to drop, there's no doubt about it. So let's place the lay trade at 2.64, so if that gets caught, I'll make £2.68. Okay, so currently we're at £2.65, I've not cashed out. So now if this horse wins the race, I'll make £5.73. If it loses the race, I'll still make 79 pence. So this has now created a no-lose situation. We cannot lose no matter what happens, but we can only gain. So if we cash out now, we'd make £2.60. If the horse wins the race and we don't cash out, we'll make £5.73, as you can see. So now we cannot lose. If it loses, we'll make 79p. If it wins, we'll make £5 plus. But if we cash out now, we're guaranteed £2.65. So no matter what happens, we can let this race go in play and we'll still make a profit. Now this is a perfect position to be in, and this is where you can actually create a system based around this. Because we're backing the favourites here, chances are the favourites got a good chance. And you can see here, all the lay trades have been taken, and that equals the back trades being taken. So we're matched. No matter what happens, we're matched. So we cannot lose. You can see there, if Dawn Horizons wins, we'll make £5.78. If it loses, If any of the other horse win, we make 79 pence. It's an ideal position to be in, and one that happens a lot in scalping. Now most people would now cash out and take that £2.64. It's a nice profit. It happened quickly. It wasn't difficult to make, as you've seen on the screen. But you could create a system here whereby if each race generates this situation, which it will, because you're placing a back and a lay trade which get matched, but if you don't cash out, you can create a system whereby you allow the race to go in play, which will make, it'll pretty much double the profit, and you still can't lose. So if you did this on 10 races per day, chances are the favourite's going to win 3, 4, 5 times, which is then going to double the profit. And if it loses, you're still going to make a profit. So this is where you can actually create a system, a scalping system, which will not lose. Now the race has gone in play. I've actually cashed it out. As you can see, I've made £2.66 guaranteed profit. Now let's just watch what happens on the race. If I get the in-play trader up, just watch that Dawn Horizons. Now we've actually placed our trade, I think it was around £2.74. So the closer Dawn Horizons gets to the winning line, it doesn't even have to win, but the closer it gets to the winning line, the more profit we're going to make if we didn't cash out. And as you can see there, it's at 1.84. So if we cashed out there, we would make about £4, even if the horse doesn't win. And as you can see, it looks like it's going to lose. But once Dawn Horizons reach that 1.8, we will have made about £4, even win or lose. So again, it's an additional safety mechanism, and it shows you how a system can be created by scalping.